Yeah, and Laurel, those wind speeds were crazy. Now, they may be dying down, but earlier this morning, I mean, 50s, 60s, 80s in some places really caused some damage out there.
Nick, there was no reports of any tornadoes, but because these winds were so strong, there were even reports of possibly just straight line winds, which is this thunderstorm so powerful that they can easily take down trees and power lines, which is exactly what we saw today. So that is something that was absolutely so impressive with these storms, and the reason why they were basically being triggered as severe thunderstorm warnings across our region was because those winds were so high. And as we actually take a look, some viewers sent us in amazing photos, so thank you all for those. These are some photos out of Afton, Tennessee by Carrie Dykes, and look at that, a roof ripped right off a barn in some of those photos, and just severe damage of trees just being taken up right from the roots out of the ground. These photos absolutely magnificent of those storm damages that these storms caused very early this morning.
Yeah, glad to have those off of our radar now, a little calmer to finish our weekend tomorrow.
Me too.
Fantastic.